Hey guys, I want to show you a little bit of diagnosing the low-term and short-term fuel trim in this car. Is a Subaru. I was having a high fuel consumption and oil consumption in my car, and really bad idle, really stumble. So I replaced my MAF airflow sensor and the PCV valve. They were not good. Over here at my throttle position center percentage, it was at 14 before I replaced the mass airflow sensor. Now it's at 12. And when you come down here and look at the airflow rate, this car is a 2.5 liter engine. When you read the airflow rate, it should be at 2.5 or close, not 3 and above. Before replacing the mass airflow sensor, it was a 3.5. The vehicle was reading the airflow of a big engine, like a 3.5 engine. And also, my long-term fuel trim were at 20. That means positive 20. That means that the car was compensating for lean condition, and the car was running very lean. As you can see now, it's very close to 0. 0 is perfect. That is stoichiometric calculation of the computer. So if you're having oil consumption problem and high fuel consumption problem, and you come across with one of these diagnostic tools, scanner, and you look at your fuel term and short-term fuel trim, and you see that it's a difference of a 10 minus or positive, you have an air condition problem. If you have a positive long-term fuel trim, you have a leak. If you have a negative long-term fuel trim, you're running rich. Okay, in my case, I was running lean because of my PCV valve, and my mass airflow sensor was not reading correctly. If you have any question, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching this video.